result na tayo of checking how many calls does it take to sell one mochi buns, okay? So let's see tingnan natin how long does it take. Hopefully 5 minutes lang or less para matapos kagad yung challenge natin. Pero let's see, unpredictable, minsan 20 minutes, 15 minutes. I think the longest maybe 30 minutes, diba? So hopefully wag niyo akong pahirapan today, ha? Ay po, much buns po. Ay ma'am, much buns po. Hello ma'am. Ay po, much buns. Ay po, much buns po. Bili na mga suki. Ay ma'am, much buns po. Hello ma'am. May sugar free din kami ma'am. Singaporean bake shop po kami ma'am. Pwede mong hawakan ma'am para may idea ka muna sa lambot niya ma'am. Ito ma'am, squeeze mo siya ma'am. Sabi nga nila unan daw ba yan? Parang unan. Hello sir, mochi bun. We are a Singaporean bake shop sir. Oo. Pwede mo siyang hawakan din sir. So an idea the texture lang. If you,
Which one's your best?
this one po, the strawberry, blueberry, and coffee. Yan. Sa taas po, red bean and matcha. Especially the matcha. If you're a matcha lover, you'll definitely appreciate it. No, most of them are not sweet 90% of our product are not sweet
Oh, what is one sugar free?
Yan, sugar free naman sir.
Sige, tingnan ako.
Anything else sir?
So this one's mochi.
Yes sir.
This one.
Ito more of bagel or parang more of plain na bagel na siya sir. Pero soft pa rin yung dough niya.
So which one is the mochi talaga? Mochi bun.
Ito, may mga mochi inside kasi ito.
This one, wala.
Mochi din yung dough niya, pero inside niya kasi, except for this one lang, wala na siyang filling inside.
Wala talaga.
Kasi it's meant for sugar free Yung mga suki namin na binibili to, they like to add pa. Kunyari sa bahay nila may filling sila or maybe may olive oil, cheese, gano'n.
This one's pwede for that.
Yes, especially for seniors yan, bagay sa kanila yun. Yan, ito
I
perfect.
wanna try yung may mochi.
Dito ka na lang sir. Red bean, I would recommend red bean or matcha. If you don't like sweet, black sesame yan. Sige sir. Black sesame daw, isa daw. Okay. Do you need a bag pa or hand
No,
carry?
it's okay.
120, you can choose for digital payment here. Yan. When you try it, if you want, you can break it apart in the mirror. So you'll see the feeling na rin. Hi ma'am, mochi buns. After you pay, show it to her na lang po. Thank you. Pwede mo siyang hawakan ma'am. Sa idea the texture. Yeah. You can send it sa Maya din po kung walang phone charge siya. 120 or 130 po isa yan. Sugar free yung chia mo. Ano yan, healthy, di ba? 120 lang po ma'am. Yung mga nag-watch kasi ng, okay lang po no worries. Yung nag-watch kasi ng sugar yun talaga binibili sa amin po. Isang chia daw.
How much is that one?
120 po sa inyo. Isa lang daw. Baka na naman sila to. Dito. Okay na po. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Yan na po yung item niya. Thank you po. Hello ma'am. Hello sir. Sa inyo sir. Wow. Ang bilis ng time natin. Tapos, sunod-sunod pa tatlo. Yes. Ay naku. Malis isa. May gloves ka ba dyan? Yung ano. Hello sir. It's like bagel sir, but softer than a bagel sir. You can squeeze the product sir. They're very soft. They're very soft. It's as big as my head already. Ma'am, baka may 20 pesos ka ma'am.
20, ma'am.
Baka lang 20. Coins wala na kasi. Pero I have hundreds naman. Have you tried it before ma'am or not yet? Hey, thank you ma'am. 900, ping ako 900. Sige. Okay. May laman ma'am. Kulang pa talon tayo. May 5 ba dyan, men? Ito po, ma'am. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, ma'am. Hello po, mochi buns. Have you tried it before?
Not
Yeah,
yet.
pwede niyo siyang hawakan para may idea kayo sa texture niya. They're very soft, ma'am. You might have seen it sa TikTok or Instagram, ma'am. I do the daily uploads.
So, asan yung mochi?
Ito lahat to, may mochi inside. Ito kasi cream
okay.
cheese filled to mga to. Pero yung dough niya mismo is mochi din naman. Sa bilog po, yan, peach mango, bestseller ko yan eh. Peach mango, strawberry.
Can I get peach mango?
Sige po, peach mango daw. Kayo ma'am, may gusto ka rin dagdag mo? Sige po ma'am. Ay ma'am, mochi buns po. Hello ma'am, mochi buns. Do you need a bag pa or ano na?
What do you mean?
Do you need the takeout bag pa or hindi na po? Or dyan na lang lalagay?
No, it's okay. Kakainin ko na siya.
Sige po.
I'm starving.
Thank you so much. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Peach mango. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hi, sir. Mochi buns.
Hello, sir. Mochi buns. Hi, ma'am. Mochi buns po. Pwede mo siyang hawakan, mama. Sabay na idea the texture. Hello, sir. Sugar-free, sir. Last 2 na lang yun. Is, sige lang po, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Mochi buns po. Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir. Mochi buns.